All right, everyone. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As you can see by the title of the video, this is 2021 New Year's resolutions or New Year's goals. Something I want to, these things are things I want to accomplish in the new year. I do this every year. So if you're new, this is what I do. And I'll probably do a video like tomorrow going over last year's goals and if I accomplished them or not. So let's just go ahead and get started. There's going to be like 4 or 5 of these. It's going to be really simple. Before I forget, one of these is going to be, do you think I should upload a video or try to upload a video every day? I know I do the 5 videos a week during the work week, and then sometimes I'll throw in stuff on the weekends, but let me know if you want me to try to do videos on Saturdays and Sundays as well, or just say no, just stick to what you want to do on the channel and don't try to fill it with extra stuff that could potentially be garbage. But if you want to see, if anyone wants to see extra videos on the weekend, just let me know. Or if you don't want to watch them, just don't click on them. So let me know if you want to see extra videos on the weekends, just stuff throughout my life or whatnot. But let's go ahead and get started with the main 4 real quick. So one of my goals, obviously for YouTube, is a subscriber goal, and that is going to be my over the moon goal is 15,000 subscribers by the end of next year. So 1 year from now. Realistically, if the channel stays on track, I should be able to get 9,500 or 10,000 pretty easily if I get 100 a week, which is what I've been getting for the last like 2 months, which is awesome. I appreciate it so much, and I love you guys for that. So over the moon goal is 15,000 subscribers for YouTube at the end of the year in 1 year. Another goal is 500 Instagram followers on my YouTube Instagram, which is at the channel name, which is Daily Electrician YT. So if you want to be a part of that, I do like live stream updates or just stuff throughout the week. I'll just put stuff on there throughout my life on the story, and like electrical posts as well. Just anything relating to the channel I'll throw on there. So that's always fun. So if you want to be a part of that, check that out. Daily Electrician YT on Instagram. And then another third goal is to save a $25,000 emergency fund. So, which is going to be $20,000 for the house. So if I lose my job or something, I'll have like 6 months of wages. If I spend like $3,000 a month or whatever, which I don't, but I also don't know how much my bills are going to cost every month yet, because I haven't really gotten all my bills yet. But so I'll figure out here shortly, and I'll probably do a video about how much it costs me to live in this house per month. But right now I'm just saying $3,000 and shooting for a $20,000 emergency fund for 6 months, and also $5,000 emergency fund if I want to buy a new car, which I'll talk about here in a second. And then my last goal is to hit $500 a month on YouTube, and maybe that's way too low, especially if my channel triples. But I would like to hit $500 by the end of next year. But if I'm at 15,000 subscribers, maybe it'll be at like $900, since I'm already at like $300. So if it triples and that triples, then it might be at 900, which would be amazing. But lastly, it has come to my attention, I kind of keep switching back and forth, but if everything goes on track with the union and YouTube, then I would like to get a second Corvette by January 2022, or at least order it, and that would be either the 2022 Stingray C8 or a 2022 Z06 Corvette. So it has been a goal of mine for a while, and I plan to just pay off my house as soon as possible in like 6 or 7 years or sooner, now that I'm going to be joining the union, if everything stays on track and I work consistently and full-time hours and stuff like that. But so yeah, I kind of do want to get one again, just if I'm going to have extra money, still pay down the house super fast, but I will have extra money. If everything goes well with the union, I will have extra money per month, and if YouTube triples, then that will pretty much make a car payment. Hopefully it wouldn't be more than $900 a month for a Corvette. So anyways, I know that's kind of a waste of money, but that's just something that would be super cool. I love the new Corvettes, and I'm also a big car guy. So anyways, the waste of money, but won't be that much extra in interest, but just to get one early instead of paying cash for it would be sweet. So those are my goals. Hopefully that wasn't too much of a ramble, but hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. Let's see how 2021 goes. I wish you all success, growth, happiness, and hopefully no one dies in our lives, because that really ruined 2020 for me. So I wish all your family members health, and wish you wealth, success, happiness, growth, and achieving your dreams as well. Let me know what your goals are down below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys, and I am supporting you guys as well. So anyways, this is for 2021. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Have a great new year. Love you guys. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell for notifications on upload and live streams. Like and subscribe. See you guys. Let's crush 2021. Peace out.